Yakutia doesn't welcome you. Yakutia measures you.
The glacier moves, slow but unstoppable. A living wall of forgotten water.
Even in silence, the world is alive. The storm may rip the hide, but the earth provides the mortar.
Then the sky flips its mood.
Every rope becomes a lifeline. In the long darkness, the only measure of time is survival. Hunger has many footsteps.
Cold steals seconds first, then warmth.
Then bone.
The storm tests every stitch.
The frame must stand against the rock. Low! Tight!
One failure triggers another. The wind takes what is weak. We count breath, not possession.
Fire is the first casualty.
We don't fight wind, we outrun it. We yield to the Birken and find the shadle where the...
The camp shrinks in minutes. Wind, which they call kika, the cold knife. The breath returns.
Night comes. The deep cold does not wait for sorrow. We have minutes to rebuild, or the cold claims us all.
The storm didn't just shake us, it dismantled us.
Fire lost its place.
Morning doesn't bring relief, it reveals damage. The storm passed, but the air holds the cold of a deep-sea floor. Even the team took a hit. First we count people, then we assign life. The storm takes what it wants, but we only carry what we need forward. A seam is a mouth for the storm. We rebuild with what's still honest. The wood that did not snap, the hide that did not tear, the rope that holds its tension. The wind is a clever beast. It finds the weak joint, the broken bone. They call the wind's anger the White Death.
In this whir,
A level floor prevents collapse. The ground must be honest before the frame is built. This time, the spine gets armor.
We don't wait for the next gust. The smallest hole in the wall is a pathway for death. We seal the earth first.
Add structure where the storm hits first. The frame must be perfect. It holds the warmth. If it moves, the cold finds the seams.
one knot is skill, 2 knots is survival.
The spirits of the cold demand haste.
But the spirit of the...
Close the mouth, stop the wind.
A low door keeps cold outside.
Now it won't peel open again.
Insulation is built from air, not luck. The bows hold the warm breath of the fire, and the layers trap.
A tall door invites cold. It offers the wind a straight path to the fire.
Warmth without air becomes danger.
First drink is heat. Second drink is life.
Cold punishes messy rope. It will teach you patience, or it will leave you to freeze alone.
The foundation must be strong. We build together.
The taiga erases trails like it's cleaning.
Direction is food here. It is the only rule the land honors. Sweat is a hidden enemy. Sweat, it is the fire that cools too fast.
Inside the forest, the world changes. The wind still prowls, but here, speed is traded for silence.
We are close. Check tether points. Damage report.
We let the wind carry our scent away. One line, one breath. The cold takes anything extra. The forest leaves receipts. Big body, slow steps.
The wind takes everything unprotected. It is a debt we pay for being slow.
Naisungtam, one chance.
Words are too loud. Words carry the scent of our fear.
Cold stiffens weapons. The storm takes, but the fire remembers.
Even snow can betray you.
We move like a net. Slow, silent, or the holes must close.
Breath is visible here. Every sign of life is an offering to the cold.
The wind teaches patience. It takes, but it leaves what is needed.
Respect first. Safety first.
The hunt ends fast. If it does not, the cold takes the meat, or it takes the hunter.
Food for the camp. Sun will rise. We are ready.
Clean work lasts longer. A clean camp gives clean strength. Rope is engineering in winter. It is the sinew of our movement. When the blizzard tears away the shelter, the rope remains.
Heavy becomes possible with rhythm.
Shifting weight breaks ankles.
No horses, only dogs and discipline.
A tired team is a trap team. In this cold, the dogs are not tools.
Every meter is earned.
Check the line. 2 more, north.
Good boy. Hold.
Home is a line of smoke.
The wall's held.
Camp organization prevents accidents. In the cold, disorder is slow death.
Cold enters through small mistakes. A loose knot, a forgotten edge.
Warmth returns in layers. Warmth returns in layers. First, the frame against the wind. Then, the snow banking against the cold.
3, 12, 8. The third sled is overturned.
They count the lost and the living. Then they move.
The storm passes. The dead rise again. We count the cost, and we gather the strength.
We build quickly, but we build true. The cold does not forgive a mistake made in haste.
In this land, time is measured not in hours, but in the rapid onset of hypothermia.
Order prevents waste. To mix the cuts is to dishonor the spirit of the animal, and to fail your family.
Patience makes it usable.
Smoke is preservation. Even tension prevents cracking. If the tension favors one side, the wind will steal the strength from the other, and the finished leather will fail the cold.
Heat returns through food. We do not just eat for strength. We eat to remind the cold that we are still here.
In the cold, there is only the collective. A single buyer is not enough.
Warmth is not only heat. The cold waits for no one.
We end the day by preparing for the next. The tools are ready. The storm takes the heat from the world. We sleep, but never all at once. Details are survival here.
A small home against an infinite winter.
Tomorrow we hunt again. Tonight we survived.